Good evening everybody and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel my dear students. So we are here with another video on virtual calculator. So in the first video of this series I explained the arithmetic operations in case of virtual calculator, and in this video I will be telling you how to perform logarithmic and exponential calculation. So let's explore what is the best way to calculate these things. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students for GATE and ESE in online and offline classes, and currently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, most of the students know all of this about me, but one thing you should also know is that this channel works tirelessly. The team on this channel works tirelessly in order to make your dreams come true, in order to make sure that you reach your destination and you realize your dreams. And with that vision in mind, we don't leave any stone unturned in making you successful, whether it may be in the form of YouTube initiatives or Unacademy initiatives. On Unacademy free platform as well, we do have a lot of initiatives which you guys can access simply by unlocking them using the code AnkitESE. Now my dear, this is a link to access all my special classes. So if you visit this link, you will find all the special classes, all the free classes that I take on Unacademy platform, and whatever I might have taken in the past, that will also be available. So let's get started. Okay. So we need to evaluate the log expression and the exponential. So we'll be talking about these things. We will be talking about the exponential part, log on a base of 2, log on a base of y, exponential x, natural log, log on a base of 10, 10 to the power x. So how do we do these things? So one by one, let us take these as questions. So first thing is log 5. So the process that you need to follow, you need to enter 5 and then press ln, then press ln. Okay, so let me show you. You have to go like this. Okay, so let me show. So first I will enter 5. Let me use mouse. 5 equal to, then I will press ln. So 1.6094. So it is coming out to be 1.6094. What about this? Again, my dear, you will go from right to left. That is, first you evaluate 14 by 8, then log, then multiply it by 4. So I'll clear it. 14 by 8, then I'll press log, then I will multiply it by 4. 2.2384. So it is coming out to be 2.2384. Now, the thing is, next it is asking us to find out log of 5 by 3 if it is not visible to you over log of 3. Okay, log of 5 by 3 divided by log of 3. So what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to first find out log of 5 by 3. Let's see how we'll do that. Again, first 5 by 3, then log. 1 minute, clear. 5 by 3 equal to, then log. Okay, divided by 3 log. So see, 1.0986. Okay, so it is 1.0986. So what I did is, first I fed 5 by 3 into the calculator. I evaluated log of it, then I divided it by log of 3. Moving on. Now we need 5 log 100 on a base of 10. On a base of 10. Very simple. Again follow the same process. First 100 you will enter. Okay. Then you will press this log. LOG1. Okay. Log. Now you will multiply it by 5. See. It is 10. Very simple. It is coming out to be 10. What about 2 log 67.23? Now that you have understood the process, it is very simple. 67.23 log into 2, 3.6551. Understood how do we perform these calculations? Then log 10 on a base of 2. Again same process, my dear. You enter 10, then you press this log 2x. It implies log of x on a base of 2. 3.3219. 3.3219. What about this? This seems a bit more complicated, but actually it is not. 4 log on a base of 2, 621 by 57. So 621 by 57. Okay. Log on a base of 2 into 4. So 13.7822. 13.7822. Okay. So these are the values. Now you have understood these are the standard log function, natural log, log on a base of 10, log on a base of 2. These many logs have been defined into the calculator. Already they are available. You don't need to define their base. But what about I want to change the base? Suppose I want to evaluate 5 log 100 on a base of 5. Let's see. Let me also see. 100 log by x. So on a base of 5. Okay. So first you feed the number, then you feed the base. And what you need to multiply it by? 5. So into 5. 14.3067. Let me write it as well so that you remember it. Feed number whose log is to be evaluated. Whose log is to be evaluated. Then feed base, and that is how you will calculate this value. Now let's try one more. 7 log on a base of 350. So first I will feed 50, then log by x, 3 into 7. 24.9261. You can try it with me, guys. You can also try it with me. What about this? 5 log 7, 87 by 23. First 87 by 23. Okay, now I need a log on a base of 7. So log, I will feed 7. Press equal to into 5. 3.4184. And it's better in virtual calculator if you calculate up to 4 decimal places, because in that case your calculation will be more accurate. 2 log 4, 121 by 81. So what I will do? 121 by 81 evaluated. Log 4 equal to into 2. 0.579. 0.579. Okay, so these are the 4 results that we have evaluated using virtual calculator. You have to understand how to use each and every key. You have to understand how you need to feed the data, so that when you actually face a problem, you are very clear about the steps and that calculation becomes super fast. What about anti-log e to the power x? Suppose the first thing I need to evaluate 7e4. See, very easy. You will first put 4, then you will press e to the power x into 7. See, 382.187. So here, guys, again go from right to left, enter number, press e to the power x. 9 e to the power 1.8. 1.8 e to the power, multiply by 9. 54.4468. Similar process you can do to evaluate 10 to the power x. The only thing, instead of e to the power x, you will have to press 10 to the power x. 10 to the power 1.7. The first thing I need to evaluate 1.7. 10. 50.1187. 50.1187. What about 10 to the power 1.5 by 4? First I will calculate 1.5 by 4. Okay, then 10. 2.3713. See how easy is this? The major concern here is we are actually used to calculating from left to right in our conventional offline calculator. But in gate calculator, it actually asks you to input the value from right to left. Now calculation of x to the power y, 6 2.8. Let us see how we will calculate. So we will write 2.8, then x to the power y. 1 minute. In this you have to go from left to right. 150.9466. Okay. So here for x to the power y, enter x, press x to the power y, then you enter y. And see how easily I discovered this. Basically, why was it? Because I actually experimented. So even in gate, if you forget, you can just try it out. In a few seconds you will come to know. Next is 8.63 to the power 1.4 by 6. So I will write 8.63 to the power 1.4 by 6. Okay. 1 minute, or let me clear it. 8.4. What it was? 8.63 to the power 1.4, bracket I will use, by 6. Better make use of bracket. 1.6534. So what I did is 8.63, then x to the power by, then bracket, then 1.4 by 6, bracket close, like this. Okay, so bracket indicates that this calculation has to be performed first. So first I need to figure out the value of 1.4 by 6, and then only I can raise 8.63 to that power. Now this is a question based on Bode plot. Let's see how we can make use of virtual calculator. The Bode plot is given. The gain is 32 dB at and minus 8 dB at 1 and 10 radian per second. Then GS is. So basically guys, if you see, if we calculate the slope is minus 8 minus 32 minus 40 dB per decade, which means there are 2 poles at origin. So like, what is the transfer function? It will be k by s square. Now I don't know the value of k, right? I need to calculate, but I know that the gain is 32 dB at 1 radian per second. At s equal to 1, ts is k, which is given, and dB 20 log k is 32. So what I can say, log k is 32 by 20. So k is 10 to the power 32 by 20. Now we need to evaluate this using virtual calculator. So what I will do, 32 by 20, then 10 to the power 39.81. We get as 39.81. So see, we find the answer as C. So that is how in such kind of problem you might actually need to use logarithmic or anti-log calculation. Similarly, let's see this. The differential equation di by dt is minus 0.2i is applicable over minus 10 to 10 if I4 is 10, then what is I minus 5? So I will simplify it like this, di by dt So di by 0.2I dt. Okay. So what we will do is we will integrate both sides. So 0.2I is e to the power t dot e to the power c, 5 e to the power c e to the power t. Okay. Now what will happen is, 1 minute, log 0.2I, or 1 minute, I have committed an error actually. It won't be like this. Actually 1 by 0.2 will become 5 initially itself. So I is equal to, okay, now this is k e to the power 0.2t. Okay, I don't know the value of k, but it is giving me I4 is 10. I4 is 10. So 10 is equal to k e to the power 0.2 into 4. So k is 10 by e to the power 0.8, or 10 e to the power minus 0.8. Let's see. So first I'll clear it. I will write minus sign. Where is the minus sign? Here it is. But what about, okay. So what we'll do is, there is also a plus minus. I'm not able to actually locate it. There is also, yeah. So 0.8 minus e to the power. So 0.44932 into 10. 4.4932. Okay. Now it is asking me I of minus 5. That is k e to the power minus 0.2 into 5. K e to the power minus 1. 4.4932 e to the power minus 1 multiplied by 1. Yeah, multiplied by e to the power minus 1. 0.36787. See, I did not even need to enter the value of k again. What I did, this value was already available. So I multiplied it. I first pressed minus 1. Okay, then I pressed e to the power x, like this. So then I pressed equal to, first star, then 1, then plus minus, then exponential, and then equal. So it indicates we have to multiply by minus 1 or then e to the power minus 1. So it will give us the result. So in this order, you actually don't need to delete the data from the calculator. You can continuously calculate. Okay. So that is where you can make use of this exponential and logarithmic calculations. Okay. So my friends, if you want to solve more problems for GATE examination, we are running a free series called as Master Blaster series, where we are providing 10,000 questions before GATE exam. You can solve this, become a Master Blaster in problem solving and get the top rank in GATE. Also, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where all the top educators of the country are teaching live on a single platform, providing you comprehensive as well as crash courses training for GATE, ESE, PSU, State AE, and not only this, you get daily assignment, weekly test, test series, question bank, and all your doubts are also cleared. In one subscription, you get access to all the branches, all the batches, and in case you miss any class, you will get it recorded version. But if you want to fly higher, go with Iconic, where you will get a personal coach, you will get a study planner, you get study booster session, you get test analysis, study material, and my friend, a dedicated team which will immediately solve your queries. So if you use the code Ankit ESE here, you get an immediate 10% discount, and you get to study under my personal guidance and get all the added benefits. And my friend, this is a new batch that is starting from tomorrow, and this is a final batch that will be running in completely comprehensive manner. If you join later on, you might have to face or complete a few courses in the recorded manner, because then we will be trying to complete the syllabus in the minimum possible time, and we won't be able to dedicate as many hours as we might dedicate right now. So if you want to learn in the most comprehensive manner, right now is the right time to join. Join immediately. In July, I'll be starting with the machines. And if you join it right now, you get 12 plus 2 months offer and 24 plus 3 months. That is, for 12 months, you get 2 months extra, and for 24 months, you get 3 months extra. And my friend, you can also enroll for combat using the code Ankit ESE, so that you can face this live test in which thousands of aspirants appear every week, test their preparation against all the top students, and at the same time, not only this, they also get a chance to win 100% scholarship. And with Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees becomes 27 to 25, 18 month 34 650, 2 year 39 600. So beta go with 2 years so that per month fees is minimum, and you can pay it in installment or avail education loan facility from Unacademy. With Ankit ESE in Iconic, your 1 year fees will be 45 to 25, 2 year 66 600. Again beta better go for 2 years. This is my Unacademy profile. You can follow me, message me, chat with me. And this is my Telegram channel to stay connected to me and get to know about all my latest videos. Thank you everybody. See you soon guys. Till then, take care and let's crack it.